It's really going to be a very tough transition for what was to be a very special night for a lot of people who are in theater, but also I imagine there's going to be a lot of support there tonight. I saw on Twitter that many are going to be wearing black armbands in support of those killed in Orlando.
Yeah.
Well, turning now to weather, something on a different note. Yesterday it was much cooler, and today we saw that it was cooler as well.
Yeah.
So broke the heat stretch for a little bit.
Finally, though, the sun came out, at least in my neck of the woods.
Exactly. So it wasn't a complete wash on this Sunday because we started off with some gray skies, and then the sun started really showing once the clouds thinned out here in Southern California. And that's because we had that weak low pressure system that brought us a cool and cloudy conditions pretty much all weekend. So this system has now moved across the area and is slowly lifting out of the region. So that is why we're looking at much more of the sunshine. So temperature wise for some areas, because of the sun, really warm things up just by a couple degrees compared to yesterday. Here's a live look with our Malibu camera looking toward the ocean. It is just a beautiful Sunday evening here in Southern California. And I just want to show you with our WeatherCam network what it looked like earlier. I'm sure a lot of you are experienced this, but this is our Cal State Fullerton camera looking at all the gray skies. This was just at noon, and then right after the lunch hour, things really started to clear up. We started to see some blue skies peeking through with the clouds really thinning out. Here's a look at our visible satellite. We still have some clouds over some of our mountain peaks currently in the northern part of LA County, and then also for central Orange County as well. So temperatures, because of the clouds really clearing up today, it did warm up nicely for a lot of our inland areas. So we're looking at more of the yellows here mixed in with some of our mild conditions. So 76 for Ontario, 68 for Santa Ana, and upper 60s for LAX. We still have some gusty winds really picking up for areas like Lancaster and Apple Valley. No advisories though, because as this low pressure system scoots off to the east, it is bringing in some gustier conditions for our high desert communities. Mostly cloudy tonight. Once the marine layer starts to fill back in, we could even see some drizzles being squeezed out of the cloud cover by tomorrow morning, and then things really starting to warm up as we head into the latter part of the work week. So there's that low pressure system really pushing off to the east. Once it moves off farther east, a high pressure system from the southwest really starts to build back into the area, pushing away this low pressure system that is developing just over the Pacific Northwest. We're looking at much warmer conditions by the time we head into next weekend, but highs tomorrow slowly warming up, still slightly below average. 73 for downtown LA. Normally the high should be in the upper 70s. 72 for San Gabriel, low 70s also for Orange County and West Covina, upper 70s for Pomona, and a little bit warmer in the IE, with temperatures topping out into the 80s for Lake Elsinore, 76 for Riverside. And again, much warmer conditions. We're looking at a big warming trend, triple digits possible for some of our inland communities by next Sunday.
All right, Amber, thank you.